Everyone, my name is Kelly Cahoot and I am here to share the Cheerful Love release with everyone. First up, I have some dies to share. This first one is called Birthday Cheer. It has a shadow for each of the words birthday and cheer, and then those dies cut out each letter. So you can either use the letters by themselves or use those cute little shadow pieces. Here's a close-up look at the word cheer. The next set is called Just Because, and it is just like the birthday cheer set, has those cute little shadows and then cuts out the words just because that you can either use by themselves or with that shadow piece. The next is a three-piece set called Congratulations. It cuts out that beautiful handwritten looking word congratulations, and then it has two shadows. The second or white shadow here is pierced along the edge to give that a different look. Next is a stamp set called Cheerful Sentiments. I love this because it has a little bit of everything. There's just because, get well, feel better. There's beautiful, thinking of you, best wishes, sweet, and then add the EST for sweetest, so sorry, hugs, birthday cheer, and then good day mate, which is a little clue to one of the stamp sets that's coming up. So lots of ways that you can use this. This next set is called Congrats Grad because before long it's going to be graduation season, and I love the oh happy day, the places you'll go. We are so proud of you. The graduate, hats off, congrats, well done, way to go. Just lots of great congratulations. Here is a card by Brenda that uses that hats off with the little graduation caps. Next up is Ridiculously Happy. I love the set. It says you make me ridiculously happy, and that then you have you're my person, you're my favorite, or you can say you're my favorite person. I love this set. Love it, love it, love it. Here's a little honeybee card by Ilda using that beautiful greeting. Next up is the sweet little Penny the Platypus, and I have these stamped and die cut. I'm going to show you all the little accessories that come with Penny. There are two different sets of balloons. There's two stamps and the dies that go with those, and then there's just some dies. So you can either have those with the little streamers or without. So Penny, when you cut her little flippers are cut out, so you can tuck all of her little accessories into her little hands or flippers. So there's a coffee cup, there's a gift, there's a bouquet of flowers, little hearts, a band-aid, there's a sweet little graduation cap, there's a diploma, so you could put the diploma in her little hands and then the hat on her head. So many cute ideas. There's a little bowl or a vase that you could add flowers to, or take somebody a little bowl of chicken soup. There's a Happy Mail envelope. There's a little either a hair bow or a bow tie. So he could be a he, platypus. There is a little bow tie that you could either use on your platypus or on a little grouping of flowers. So cute, so many possibilities. And then there are a little stem of greenery. There's also different options for your balloons and the little strings. So you can either stamp the balloon strings on there, or you can die cut there to the right. I have some die cut. And there's also some little confetti or little streamer pieces that you can mix and match with that. Here's a beautifully colored image from Emily, and I love her card design. She used the Feel Better Soon, and I'm just in love with her coloring. Here's another card from Brenda. Love the water scene, and this is adorable. Ilda made the little graduation cap pop on and off of its head. It slides on and off. The next stamp set is called Feelin' Foxy, and I love these sweet little foxes. There's also a coordinating die set as well with this one, just like Penny the Platypus. So all the dies will come all joined together. I have clipped mine apart because I have been playing with my cute little foxes. So there is two foxes. You have one looking right on at you, and then kind of a Mrs. Fox with cute little sassy eyelashes there looking to the side. There's lots of hearts, and there are two butterflies. I love this card from Carly. She did a tone on tone, and I love that pop of pink there on the background with the butterflies. I love this beautiful coloring from BB. So cute. And then this beautiful watercolor background from Sharna. So pretty. Next is the Foxy Sentiments. I love these. So you have Fox and Foxy, hello, XOXO, hey there. You have Sly Fox, Clever Fox. Just lots of different things that you can mix and match to go with your foxes or with anything, really. Also, there is a 6-piece die set. You have Foxy the word, then a shadow, and then also that second pierced shadow, and then the word fox, the word, the shadow, and the pierced shadow. There are also several embellishment sets being released. First, we have these little confetti or sprinkle or candy hearts. The red set is called Kiss Me. The pink is Hug Me. And the white is Be Mine. And you can see here I have these mixed together, how cute they are all together. These are a little thicker than a normal sequin. They actually look like little candy or confetti hearts that you would put on cupcakes. Would be super cute in your shaker cards. And then it's almost graduation season, so I love these mixes. This one is called Gold Celebration, but it would be perfect for graduation, anniversary, anything like that. They're just beautiful. This is Silver Celebration. There's lots of little streamers and stars and lots of glimmer and shimmer in these mixes. You can also get the little ribbons on their own. This is a gold ribbon set. Super pretty. And then there's also a silver ribbon set. Super sparkly. Really fun. And then I love these next two sets. This is Moonshine, and these are little disc sequins. They're ribbed around the little edges to give them lots of shimmer and glimmer, and I just love these. They're so pretty and sparkly. And then this next set is called Sunshine. It's the exact same shape as the Moonshine, just this beautiful sunny yellow. Love that. So pretty. And the last set is called Little Love. There's all different sizes of hearts. I'm going to open these up and pour them out, and you can see the different sizes of hearts. And this is like iridescent cellophane. They're so beautiful, and they're very delicate like cellophane. So if you've ever touched that or worked with that really thin cellophane, it's really pretty. You can see how that just sparkles and shines and changes colors in the light. I'm going to leave you with this beautiful card from Leanne. I just love the coloring on this. I love the spring feel to it, and I love little Foxy there. All these supplies can be found at honeybeestamps.com, and I hope you will join us for this Cheerful Love release. Talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.